Guys, it's Ryan and we're back with another video. Look at this boy being ugly. I just shot an octopus. I don't get it how all of these troopers are here and they let someone fire it. Like, I haven't shot anyone. Come on. Oh, right behind there. No, bro. Oh, hey. Oh, there is one. Come on, get shield. Get back where your friends are. No. He's mean. No, I'm mad right now. I'm mad, Gucci. Tab is tubies, task. Tubing up, tubing the tubies. Tad and tubies, task. Tubing up, tubing the tubies. Tubies. We got tubies on tubies. Tubies, tag, tubies. Good, GG. Where's the, Man, which kind of gun you got? I think he's got a sniper. Right? He has to have one. No! Get down! How can those guns kill me? No, I'm getting real mad. So we're gonna go with my mommy. The best gun in the world. Yup, this is what I need. Yup. Ah, that's bad. Everyone's coming towards me. Why is everyone coming towards me? No! Why? Stay there. They're guarding that thing. So they took over. They took it over. Here comes the very hard part. Here comes the super hard part. Here comes the super hard part. Open up. I am in. Man, you smell like food. Man, I am dead. Man, I smell like food. Boy, I am dead. I just need to keep jumping. Wouldn't it be cool if I was still alive? But that's impossible. Man.